Now let's take a look at the PBL checklist. It's under the For Teachers family of tools, and right here, PBL checklist, and it even says they have it in English and Spanish, so if you have Spanish speaking students. So if I go to PBL checklist, if you have questions, you can check us the FAQ, but it talks about project-based learning, which is really huge. Writing, science, oral presentation, and media. They don't have them in math, which is interesting. Hopefully they'll move on to it, but let's look at writing 9 through 12. You click on writing 9 through 12, and it creates a printable checklist, not an online. So it's for written reports, grade 9 through 12. And it tells you step by step what to do. Use the pull down menu to pick a suggestion menu, click on open to open, click on the items for the suggestion menu in order you want them to appear. Close the suggestion menu when you're done. You can add other items yourself by typing in the text area. You can modify suggested items. You can move things around. Text areas can be left blank. You click submit. So let's go through this. So let's put in my name and the project title. Maybe it's just a research paper. Not very exciting. Research project. Okay, so conventions. What are we talking about? Fluency, ideas, organization, punctuation, word choice. So maybe I'm going to talk about organization. And I can click on open to see the different suggestions. Well, ideas organized in a meaningful way. You can read through them. I have a satisfying conclusion, so maybe I want ideas in an organized way. Introduction is, the ideas flow, and you add them to the list. Okay? So that's the open, and then the click on items, and then the closed. If you want to type anything else in, you just click in the box and type it on in. You want to delete or change how something is changed, you can just highlight and delete and type in what you want, which is the same. So you can adjust what you want. So I can go to punctuation now, and I click open, and I can pick whatever from the punctuation I want. Okay, citations, I want apostrophes, semicolons, whatever you want. Select them all like that if you want. Remember, add them to the list, and there they are. And you can scroll down. And remember, you can delete, change, alter, add whatever you want within the text box. It even tells you this, how to do it. Leave no blank lines in between the lists. Great. And you can go on and on and on and on as you want. When you're done, you can create a printable checklist. You click create, success. You click here to, here's your checklist. Here it is. So you've got a nice PBL checklist for exactly what you want. Awesome. All you can do now is just go to File and print it from print window, and it will print your page. End of story. Pretty easy to use, and it works the same way no matter what. So if you want to go back and let's look at a different one just to see the different categories for fun. Let's see oral multimedia 5 through 8. So if they're doing a Glogster, an Animoto, a movie maker, anything, even just a PowerPoint. You've got here, appearance. So that's one of the appearance. Let's open up appearance. Text and graphics are all balanced. Read, 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 whatever you want to do. Select them, add them to the list. Here's the other categories. You have media use, navigation, organization, preparation, resources, and you can put them in whatever you want, because maybe you want the prep first, and then maybe you want the organization. It all depends on what you want. You can reorder however you want. Pretty easy. So once again, choose the ones you want, add them to the list, and when you have them all, go down to the bottom, create the printable checklist. It tells you it does it. You click here to look at it, and there you go. Easy peasy.